Hello, my first graders. Today we're going to talk about using commas in a series. Okay, we use commas to separate three or more items in a list. So sometimes when we're talking about people or things or actions, there are three or more that we're putting together in a sentence. When we do that, we need to use commas and the word and. Okay, a comma tells us to take a slight pause as we're reading the sentence, and it lets us know that we have more than one item that we need to separate. So we're going to take a look at a few examples. So here we have paper, pencil, crayons. That's three items. Okay, and we're going to put that into a sentence. I need a paper, comma, pencil, comma, and crayons. Okay. So we have three items. We put a comma between them. Okay. And then I want to point out that after the word and, there's no more commas. Okay. When we're listing the last thing, we say and tell what the last item is. Okay. There's always a comma before and, but never after it. Okay. I need a paper, comma, pencil, comma, and crayons. Okay, so that's the end of our list. Let's look at this example. We have pizza, fries, ice cream. That's three items. Okay, three food items. So when we put these three food items into our sentence, it's a list. It needs to be separated by commas. So let's take a look and add our commas in. I eat pizza, fries, and ice cream. Okay, do you see our three items in our sentence? Yeah, so let's put our commas in. I eat pizza, comma, fries, comma, and ice cream. Okay, so I want to point out that here's our word and. We have a comma and no more commas after the word and. Okay, just a comma before and that's our last item. Let's look at another example. Well, this example has four things: runs, jumps, kicks, plays. Those are four different actions that this girl is doing. So when we put these actions into our sentence, it becomes a list and we need to separate it by commas. So let's look at our sentence and then we'll add our commas in. The girl runs, jumps, kicks, and plays. Okay, see our action, our words in our sentence. Let's see if we can put commas in. The girl runs. Oh, that's our first action. Comma, jumps, comma, kicks, comma, and plays. Those are all things that she does. Notice again, comma, and. No more commas after we have the word and. Okay, that's our list of actions that the girl can do. So we put our commas in. Now, let me go back. All of these that we have done so far with our list of items that we need to use, our list of food, and our list of actions. They've all come at the end of the sentence. But that's not the only place where we can put a list. We can have a list at the beginning of a sentence, and that's what I'm going to show you next. Here's our list: pigs, cows, hens. Let's look at our sentence. Pigs, cows, and hens live on a farm. Okay, so here's our list. Let's find it in our sentence. Oh, pigs, cows, and hens. Let's put our commas in. Pigs, comma, cows, comma, and hens live on a farm. Okay, so again, our commas go in between our items, but after the word and, no more commas. All right, let's look at our last one. Okay. Tim, Juan, Jane, Pam. Tim, Juan, Jane, Pam are friends. Oh, We are missing commas, and we're also missing the word and. Let's see if we can fill that in. So let's look. We have a list of people, and it shows up at the beginning of our sentence. Let's see. Tim, comma, Juan, comma, Jane, comma. Oh, and then we have one more, which is Pam. So what do we need to add? What's that word that goes in there? And. Tim, Juan, Tim, Juan, Jane, and Pam are friends. So here's our list. There's a comma between each friend, and we have our word and before our last friend's name. Okay, boys and girls. So just remember, we add commas when we have 3 or more things in a list. It can show up at the beginning of our list can be at the beginning of our sentence or at the end of our sentence. After our word and, there are no more commas. All right, boys and girls, we will be giving this a try.